severe thunderstorms will be
Part 2, a severe thunderstorm is beginning, a line of severe thunderstorms is beginning to move through.
Channel Lake, York Center, Woodridge,
as you can see, this is the dangerous line right here.
Western Springs and Westchester around 3:55
It's moving east. Oh, uh-oh. Here we go. We'll see what this warning is, or watch, or warning, or whatever it is.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Fort County in east central Illinois, southern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, Livingston County in central Illinois, southern Moore County in northeast Illinois, until 5 o'clock p.m. At 3:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Shanahan to Odell to 6 miles east of Roanoke and moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Be right back.
Diamond, Flanagan, Gardner, Braysville, Braidwood, Lakewood Shores, Hersha, Cullum,
Dad,
and Aroma Park.
70-mile-per-hour winds, they issued a new warning for us.
For large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for east central LaSalle, Rome, Kittle, northern Granby, DuPage, eastern King, Cook, Lake, and eastern McHenry counties until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive hurricane-force winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Woodstock to north of Grand Ridge, moving east at 55 miles per hour. In addition, numerous reports of tree and power lines down and roof damage with these storms. Severe thunderstorms will be near Richmond, Winfield, West Chicago, and Warrenville around 3:40 p.m. Wauconda, Tower Lakes, and severe thunderstorm watch number 342 remains in effect until 7 p.m.
It's moving into Flanagan.
Time, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Henry, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Willow, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Fort.